Hi there, everybody. This is Samantha from Bird Sitting Toronto, and today we are going to talk about how we make our BST chop, aka Parrot's Plate. Alright, so what we have here is the leftovers of quinoa that we've been making for all our batches, but quinoa is a great addition of grain to our BST chop. We also have quite a bit of apples, which we're going to be using. A whole variety of apples. We also have different vegetables like carrots. We have zucchini. We have spinach, leafy greens, and some romaine lettuce as well. And we also got different fruits like blueberries, and I think I mentioned apples, but let's say we got apples as well. And we also want to add some sprouts, which the birds like to munch on. First off, we're going to start off by cooking our quinoa. Of course, we're not going to serve this in the bird chop hot. We're going to let it cool down and get to room temperature before we add it into the chop. Now, we're going to go and finally chop up our leafy greens.